Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's topic is the brand new Microsoft Copilot, which is available to anyone with a subscription to Microsoft 365. We are going to be covering what it is and how it can make our jobs easier than ever before. If you're not familiar with Microsoft 365, it's a collection of web-based apps for productivity, and they include apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, and others. Now, Microsoft Copilot works inside these apps, making them even more powerful and useful than before. Okay, so what exactly is Microsoft Copilot? Well, it is basically an AI-powered assistant that uses natural language processing to understand what you want to do, and then it automatically takes care of it for you. For example, imagine you want to write a blog post in Microsoft Word. Normally, you'd have to spend hours researching, writing, editing, and formatting. But with Copilot, you can just tell it what you want to write about and it will automatically generate the entire post for you. It can also summarize research findings, check grammar and spelling, and even suggest images and videos to include. Basically, it is like having a personal assistant that knows everything about writing and can do it all for you. Another example is Microsoft Excel. With Copilot, you can use natural language to analyze your data and generate charts and graphs. Imagine you have a huge spreadsheet with hundreds of rows and columns of data. Normally, it would take you hours to sift through and find the information you need. But with Copilot, you can just tell it what you want to see and it will automatically generate the chart for you. It can also help with more complex tasks such as forecasting and modeling. For example, let's say you're trying to figure out how much revenue your company will generate next year. You can ask Copilot to build a model for you based on historical data, and then it will show you the results in a chart or graph. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many other things that Copilot can do. In fact, it can do pretty much anything that involves writing, editing, formatting, analyzing, or creating. The possibilities are really endless. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How is this different from other AI assistants like ChatGPT or Bard? Well, the main difference is that Copilot is tightly integrated with the Microsoft 365 apps that we already use every day. That means you don't have to leave your browser to use it. You can access it right from the app that you're already in. It also has access to your data and files, which means it can give you personalized results that are tailored to your needs. For example, if you ask it to write a blog post about a topic, it will use its knowledge of your industry and target audience to generate the post. It will also use any relevant data that you have stored in Excel or other apps. That means you get high-quality results that are accurate and up-to-date. Alright, now let's take a closer look at some of the specific ways that Copilot can make us smarter and more productive. In Microsoft Word, we can use it to quickly draft documents with just a few clicks. All we need to do is highlight the text and then click on the Copilot icon. From there, we can tell it what we want to do and it will automatically take care of it for us. For example, let's say we want to write a blog post about the benefits of exercise. We can tell it to write a catchy headline and it will come up with something like, "Exercise your way to a better mood, health, and sleep." Then we can tell it to write the introduction and it will come up with something like, "Exercise is important for our physical and mental health. It can help us feel better both physically and mentally. Exercise can help reduce stress and anxiety and improve sleep quality." As you can see, it is writing the entire post for us and all we have to do is sit back and let it do the work. But if we want to make any changes, we can simply highlight the text and click on the edit button. That will bring up a menu where we can choose from different options such as rewriting the text in a different style or summarizing it. Once we're happy with the results, we can publish the post directly from Copilot. In Microsoft Excel, we can use it to analyze data and generate charts and graphs. All we need to do is highlight the data and then click on the Copilot icon. From there, we can tell it what we want to see and it will automatically generate the chart for us. For example, let's say we want to see the total sales by region. We can just say "Show total sales by region" and Excel will automatically generate a bar chart for us. If we want to make any changes to the chart, we can simply click on the edit button and choose from different options such as changing the colors or adding a title. In Microsoft PowerPoint, we can use it to quickly create presentations. All we need to do is click on the Copilot icon and tell it what we want to present and it will automatically create the presentation for us. For example, let's say we want to give a presentation about the company's annual report. We can just say create a presentation about the company's annual report, and PowerPoint will automatically create a slideshow for us. It will also include charts and graphs to visualize the data. If we want to make any changes to the presentation, we can simply click on the edit button and choose from different options such as changing the fonts or adding animations. In Microsoft Outlook, we can use it to manage our emails. All we need to do is open an email and click on the Copilot icon. From there, we can tell it what we want to do and it will automatically take care of it for us. For example, let's say we have an email from a client asking for a quote. We can tell it to draft a response and it will automatically generate a message for us. It can also help with more complex tasks such as scheduling meetings. Let's say we have an email from a colleague asking to meet. We can tell it to suggest a few meeting times and it will automatically send out a meeting request with the suggested times. In Microsoft Teams, we can use it to keep track of meetings. All we need to do is click on the Copilot icon and tell it what we want to do. For example, let's say we want to record a meeting. We can just say record this meeting and Teams will automatically start recording. It will also take notes for us and summarize the key points. If we want to make any changes to the notes, we can simply click on the edit button and choose from different options such as adding bullet points or changing the font size. As you can see, Microsoft Copilot is a powerful tool that can help us work smarter, not harder. It can save us a ton of time and effort, especially when dealing with repetitive tasks. However, it's important to note that it's still in beta, so it's not perfect yet. There may be some bugs or glitches, but overall it's a promising tool that's worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.